We're with Ryan Tegnelia. He's a criminal attorney in San Diego, California, and he's agreed to answer an online question that was posted related to getting a DUI off your record. So this is the exact question. That was from Anna. My son, who is 17, got a DUI. I'm afraid this will ruin his chances of getting in a good college. Is there anything we can do to get it expunged?
Okay, so, well, this is actually a two-part question, though I don't think you realized it, Anna, when you asked. Since your son is 17, he would go to juvenile court most likely, and he would not be in adult court. So he doesn't need an expungement. In juvenile court, if that's the only run-in he's had with the law, an experienced attorney will try to get you some sort of diversionary program where he, does some community service, maintains good grades, graduates high school, whatever it is. And then the case would either be dismissed or just kind of swept under the rug, so to speak, in juvenile court, where the focus is more on rehabilitation than punishment. And so what diversionary programs there may be available and how willing the DA is to go along with it, that depends on the area that you're in. But assuming your son does all that, and then the case is resolved in some way in juvenile court, once he turns 18, he can seal his record, and nobody would likely ever know about it except for certain circumstances that are beyond the scope of this question. And most colleges don't necessarily ask for juvenile records because they are sealed and they are considered, sort of sacred. When the way this juvenile system is set up is once the person turns 18, we're also supposed to sort of just forget what they did as a kid and move on with it because now they're adults. In general, expunging DUIs, yes, you can expunge them. Like most other cases, you can expunge them once you're off of probation. The standard probation term in California is 3 to 5 years. In San Diego, it's 5. In most other counties, it's 3. So once you're off probation, which you can do by either just riding out the whole 3 to 5 years, or if you file a motion to terminate probation early, which is something else, you can file the expungement and it'll come off your record. However, that being said, in California, DUIs are priorable for 10 years, meaning if you get more than one DUI within 10 years of each other, the mandatory minimum punishment goes up. And so even an expunged DUI, if it happened within that 10-year period, can still be used as a prior against you if you pick up a subsequent DUI. So I hope that answers all your questions.
Excellent. Well, thanks for your time, Ryan. If you have any other questions for him, just post them in the comments section below.
All right, thanks. Or you can always call me and get more specific answers to your questions at 619-577-0868. Thanks.
Thanks, Ryan.